Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to teach you on what is the keyboard shortcut to add arrow bullet points in your Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So let's open and bring up the Microsoft Word first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it to open it. Click on blank document, maximize it. Now first is we need to locate the greater than symbol on your keyboard. So you need to locate the greater than symbol. That is on your next to your less than symbol. So depending on your keyboard, because different types of laptop, like different manufacturer like HP, Asus, or Dell, different placement for the keyboards. So in your case, you just need to simply look for the greater than symbol and then click on that. Okay, now let me zoom this to show you. And then once you click on the greater than symbol, press the space key on your keyboard. And that's it. You have just the arrow bullet. And then hit enter. So I'll do it again. Press the greater than symbol and then space key. You're good to go. That's it. So as easy as that, you have just created it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.